copyright laws. I was just saying to my co-driver student that I had to turn off the music because copyright laws in YouTube. But this is just real pretty. There's a river down there. We've seen some kayakers and tubers and all kinds of stuff. Just thought y'all might like to see the views out here, especially with the windshield that looks crystal clear right now. We did rub on some Rain X on it and on the mirrors. Alright guys, sorry for not being able to hold this super steady. I'm using my phone. This is not really going to count as a real upload, so I'm probably just going to upload this today, tomorrow, something like that. This is on 70, headed towards Denver, Colorado. We're in Colorado, about 165 miles from it. It's a pretty ride through here. You really just gotta pay attention to your driving. Get all that water. And that water right there will be for professionals. But yeah. I've been through here a few times. Just never really can get video because I'm the one who's driving. I mean, look at that truck. It looks small compared to those mountains in the background. I mean, I guess we could take it out to 5 minutes. So, leave whenever I guess you get bored. And wondering how many of you guys are getting motion sickness. I said 5 minutes. I might end it a little bit sooner. Man, that water's really moving right here, guys. Look at that. Hey, there's a good place for me to pull over. I'll probably grab the drone out and do a little bit of flying with it. But I already got video. I gotta get edited and get uploaded for you guys. Alright, well, let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I'll try to do some more scenery ones. Anyway, thanks for watching.